Hey guys, welcome to another question. This will be question number 10 from arrays. Must do coding questions from Geek for Geeks. Just have a quick look at the question and we'll be discussing the approach soon. So coming to the approach, we got an example where we have the values 1, 3, 5, 2, 2, right? So what the question says is the left side element values and the right side element values at a certain index should be the same. So in this case, the output is third position. So third position means the second index here. Second index, at second index we check left values and right values, and you can see 4 and 4 they are same. So the position value where we are getting this, we have to return that index number. Oh, so there are few boundary cases. In case of one element, if we are having one element, that is accepted in equilibrium point because left side of one element and right side of one element, there are no values there. So it will be a equilibrium point because left and right both have nothing. One element is fine, okay? And this is for one. So two elements, this is acceptable. For two elements, suppose this is not acceptable because if we take any side of the position as equilibrium point, we have one side as nothing and we have another side as the value. For example, in this second position, left side we have some value, right side we don't have. So this is not acceptable. At least we should be having three values. Three values are must here, at least. If we don't have three values, then we take the above cases and return the values accordingly. So now what is happening is here, for to get the maximum, the sum value from left and right, we are taking one another array and we store the total values of the index position there till that point. Like for 0 index, we take 0 plus 1 here. Then for the second position here, up to till this point, 1 plus 3, which will be 4. And similarly, we keep on adding 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 2, 11, and 11 plus 2 is 13. And why we are doing this? Because we can find the left side and right side values using this array box. So how will we find the left value first? Okay, in this case we are getting the third index value, right? So with the third index we check, this is a 9 value we have total. Up to this point we have 9 as the total value here to the second index. Okay, so 9 minus the array value, which will be total minus the current array value in the array, which will be 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and this will be the left side value of the array. This is the left value of the array. Similarly, for right, how will you take the right side? Now we have the second up to second index total value we got, and we also have the last final value, okay, 13. So we minus the 13 minus 9. So 13 minus 9 is basically total value is 13, total is 13. This is the maximum value in the list. And 13 minus 9, here 9, we get 4 again. This will be the right side part. Why right side part? Because 9 is this value, right? 9 is up to this part. Up to this part is the answer of 9 summation of the left side. So if you minus from total value the left value, we will be remaining with the right side value only, right? Total value minus left side value is always right side value. We get the right side value here. Now let's go to the coding part, and I hope everyone have understood till this. If you're not clear even at this point, let's talk about the coding part, and then it will be more clear here. Then it will be more clear to you. Let's go to the Geek for Geeks website. Now we are inside the Geek for Geeks website, and as discussed, for first condition we will be returning the value 1 because we only have one position, right? We only have one value inside that, so we're returning 1. It will always be one position because only one value is there. For second, if there are two elements, there is no equilibrium point, so we return -1. For other type of values, this is a temporary list we are taking. We are adding here what? The total values up to current index. Okay, so now taking initializing with total as 0, then we keep on adding. While we are adding, at each iteration we are also adding to the list of temporary, or we can say pushing the elements to the list. After this process has done, all the elements will be stored in temporary variable. The total values for the current index will be stored in the temporary variable. After storing, what we're doing, we're taking the left side value. So temp(x) means here the current position of the sum of the current position of the index. So it, in case here, start from 0. Okay, start from 0. So current position is 0. Then in the array also the 0 position only, we minus it, and we see the right side. This is the maximum value in the total value. You can say total value minus left side value temp(x), which is temp 0. So this these two will not be equal at the index 0, and we check at each index like this, the left side and right side. Wherever this condition matches, we return the index position. We return the position, not the index here. I mean, here you can see this is the third position. Here 5 is the third position and second index. So we are getting the index value here, but we have to return position. So we're adding +1 and we return the value. Even after looping through all the elements, we didn't find it. Then we return -1 here. If you like the video, please share and subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope you have enjoyed the video till this part. Thank you for watching. We'll be meeting in the next question.